Agra Welfare Department, and they have now said in their affidavit that they are planning to cancel. But it seemed that that was a great problem. But now, because I have encountered something bigger, because I've just passed on plus one to Geo.
That 31,125.
Yes. 25 is the proceedings of the.
Yes.
Proceedings of the Director of School Education. Your Lordship will see over the page. What is the Geo which is annexed to that letter? Lord, if your Lordship sees what has happened is, by GOMS number 261 dated 9/12/2024, what they have now done is the next page there in the amendment. Lord, we are all here fighting for that 2% which is recruitment by transfer to the post of PG assistant as well as BT assistant. What they have done now is they've taken out the foundation of my case. But this is a very, very mischievous act on the part of the government. Lords, I'm using my words very consciously. All the writ petitions, your lordships found that there was a case in that, took cognizance of the matter, issued interim orders, we filed contempt. They make us look like a fool now by saying that that rule itself now has been taken away. They have simply omitted. Lords, Roman 3. Lords, your lordships will kindly have a look at the rules, Lord, just to be clear on this. Your lordships will see the internal page 22 of the rules.
Hmm.
22 of the rules is GOMS number 14, School Education, 30th January 2020, which amends the Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Educational Service. In
Where are you reading? Page?
page 22, Milords. Page 22, that is section 37, the Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Educational Service. Lords, in that, if your lordship sees, number 1 says the service shall consist of all these posts. In that, class 2 is PG assistant in academic subjects and languages. But then your lordships will see at page 23 is appointment. Appointment to several classes and categories of the service shall be made as follows. Now we are concerned with Lords Roman 2 there. Postgraduate assistant in academic subjects. Lords, I will leave away the first and second one. One is direct recruitment. Second is direct recruitment by transfer from categories of teachers. But that we are not concerned with. I am concerned with number 3 here, Roman 3 small. Recruitment by transfer from the post of superintendent in Tamil Nadu Ministerial Service.
Yes.
That is what all the writ petitions here have been fighting for. All the petitioners are qualified for BT assistant and